Welcome! This tutorial will give you all the information you need to operate the PDI Smart TV.
In addition to cable, these TVs maximize our patients' entertainment experience with touchscreen, internet, and other applications.
Today, we'll go over the basic functions of the TV and give you all the steps you need to navigate the system.
To begin, press the power button on the TV. When the screen turns on, look at the upper right corner. Here, you see patient profile and owner profile.
The profile at the top is the active profile. Note that you must have the patient profile selected in the top position. You will never need to access the owner profile. All you need to do is simply swipe up to unlock the screen.
Home screen. Here, you can access all the functions of the TV.
Today, we'll guide you through accessing cable TV.
You'll press the green icon on the upper right side of the screen. That's the TV.
To change the channel, use the black Comcast remote.
To adjust the volumes, use the buttons on the TV.
So, there are the basic steps to turn on the TV and access the cable channel for the patient. Now let's go over some common errors and troubleshooting issues you may encounter with the PDI Smart TV.
An important step when opening the TV is to make sure you have selected the right user profile.
Note there are two profiles: Owner, which is for administrative purposes only and should never be used. We'll be using Patient.
Top of the list is an active profile, and you want to make sure that the patient profile is selected. If the owner is selected and you try to open the home screen, you might see this.
You're prompted for a password and given the option to create an account. Stop. A password is only needed by the administrator, and creating an account is not necessary.
If you look at the top corner and see the owner profile is at the top, you just need to switch the patient profiles by selecting the patient profile.
Once the patient profile has been selected, you can easily swipe up to the home screen.
Potential issue you may experience is a blank or frozen screen, which usually can be fixed by restarting the TV. To do this, simply hold down the power button until the power off section window appears on the screen. Press the power off section and this device will shut down.
The device will restart, and then all you need to do is simply swipe open the TV to the home screen.
This will fix the issue, but if you're unsuccessful in your attempts, it's okay to ask for help. Contact Recreation for further assistance with functions of the TV. And if it's an issue concerning the cable or anything mechanical in nature, contact the maintenance department.
There are simple ways to detect if it's a functionality issue or mechanical issue.
If the TV screen is black or showing no picture, the first attempt to change the channel. If possible, the cable channel selected is not a channel that we receive. If the problem persists, check the cable box to see if it's powered up.
If there's a green light on the cable box, it has power. If there's not, check to make sure the plug is securely in the wall. If it is plugged in and there's still no power, contact maintenance to address the issue.
If the channel is changed via touchscreen, this input screen may appear. To redirect, tap the screen and change the channel back to 3. And now you know the basic steps of how to operate the patient TVs.
Thanks for watching.